Okay, so it's either Thursday or Friday, depending on if you have class first hour, fourth hour, or seventh hour. But I wanted to make a quick introduction video for what you need to do today. This is for A cohort students. Um, yeah, but when we are in week 3 folder here, so you'll click on the agenda. B students, right? Just in case you're gone, follow along. If you're watching this, B students, just follow along with the calendar and the agenda. And if you have any questions, please send me an email and I'd love to help you. But this video is for A cohort students. So again, it's either Thursday or Friday. And here's what you need to do today. So step 1 will be you're going to watch this video. Step 2, based on what we did in class on Monday or Tuesday, you are going to try your best to do paragraph 2 in the essay organizer. And watch that video at the top if you need it. There's a whole video explaining how to do it. Use your chart that you made. But just try your best to do paragraph 2, and then when we get back to class Monday and Tuesday, we'll kind of review it, make sure you did it right. But your job today is to complete paragraph 2 in the essay organizer. And then click on the document called Essay Document, and you need to actually type up your intro, your body paragraph 1, and body paragraph 2. That feels like a lot, but trust me, it's not, because all you have to do is you'll go to your essay organizer, and you'll take everything that you typed in blue, and you'll just copy and paste that into the essay document. So your essay document will look, let me just find it for us. So if we go back into week 3, essay document is here, right? So you'll click on this. You'll click my document, right? But just because I have the teacher view. So your essay document looks like this. So right here where it says change this to your name, change it to your name. Put what hour you have here, so either 1, 4, or 5, 1, 4, or 7. And then notice this is not due for a while, so we'll have plenty of time to talk about it. But then take what you put in your essay organizer, that blue text, and copy and paste it here. Remember, your introduction is 1 paragraph, then paragraph 1 is a new paragraph, and paragraph 2 is a new paragraph, so make sure you do indents. But yeah, just copy and paste your text, not the titles that say like topic sentence, data, internal link, but just your text from the essay document, so just your blue stuff. Take that and type it in here, and your essay will start to come to life. So again, look back at week 3, click on our agenda, and then you need to do paragraph 2 and then type everything in your essay document. So again, there's nothing you have to submit to me. I can check your progress. I can go into all your documents and check your progress to make sure you are getting this done. But have all this done before you get to class on Monday or Tuesday. Have a great weekend.